Hi guys, welcome back to another CV Linens video. My name is Evelyn. If you're looking for budget-friendly ways to decorate this Halloween, check out this super fun and simple candy corn wreath tutorial. All you need is a wreath frame and some sashes. Let's jump right in. For this Halloween wreath, you'll need an 18-inch wreath frame, 3 yellow, 4 orange, and 2 white chair sashes. Start by laying a yellow sash under the wreath frame, shining side down. Next, grab a corner of the sash and pull it through the small ring of the frame. Then, grab the other sash corner and pull it through the middle ring. Now pull both ends together. Keep pulling the sash through tightly and push back as you go. Continue doing so until 3 sections are covered. Using the same technique, fill the 2 sections on either side of the yellow with the orange chair sashes. Lastly, use the white chair sashes to complete this classic candy corn look. For more volume, you can also go back and add a second layer onto the outer ring. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow us on other social media platforms for more inspiration. See you next time.